Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing wonderful. Thank you for coming in today for another video. I'm always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week. This is a skincare and beauty channel. I'm 60 years old and I show you guys all of the skincare products I use to clear up my skin issues. And if this is something that you are interested in, keep subscribed to my channel. Thumbs up, give this video some love, and I shall see you guys at the end of this video. Enjoy! Okay, my lovelies, this is the finished look of the makeup. Easy and simple. I am always going to be using these two words in my vocabulary whenever I'm doing my makeup. Easy and simple. I don't like my makeup to be fussy, and you know, your makeup can be whatever you want it to be. It doesn't have to be like everybody else. And so I was going to throw out this eyeshadow palette. This is the MYSIGHN palette from Revolution, and I cannot begin to tell you how old this palette is, and I was just about to throw it out, and I thought, but the colors look so good, let me give it a try. So if you do have this palette in your collection, you should know exactly what I'm talking about. And from the bottom, it's like a grayish purple shade. Really, really pretty, so gorgeous, absolutely love it. So this is a keeper, and I'm going to be definitely doing some makeup looks with some of these colors in this palette. It is the water palette from Revolution, again, very, very old. And I use a little bit of the black from Kat Von D. Very, very easy and simple. And also I was going to throw out this lipstick from SheGlam, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips today. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And I just love this lipstick. It just snaps nicely together. It's going to be down below. And also this blue eyeliner, you must get this blue eyeliner. This is from Temu, and this is what I do have under my eyes today and just in the corner, because normally I would go in with a black to sort of darken the size of my eyes. I did not do that today, but I also think that blue eyeliner looks so sexy on dark-skinned women. It really does make your eyes pop out a little bit, so when people are looking at you, they are drawn to that blue under your eyes. It is just so pretty. It's going to be in the description for you guys. And so I do hope you enjoy this video today. We are going to leave it here for now. Thank you guys so much for coming in today for another video. I always appreciate you watching. Again, give this video some love, some thumbs up, and please come back next week for another video. Toodles.